Hi viewers, in this video we will see the topic is change the order of integration. This topic is very important topic in integral calculus. The main application of change the order of integration is to make the evaluation of double integral is easy. So now we will see how to make the change the order of integration with an example. Now I am considering an example I equal to double integral 0 to a x to a. So we can take any function. So I am taking f of x comma y dy dx. dy. This is the given integral. Using the change the order of integration, we are going to change the x limit as y limit as x limit. So in this given limit, here y limit is an inner limit. Y limit is an inner limit. This limit is given in terms of variable. Similarly, this limit is an x limit. It is an constant limit. Now we are going to change the order of integration. X limit as y limit as x limit. X limit as variable limit, y limit as a constant limit. So we need to draw the diagram for the given limit. First limit is y limit. Y's lower limit is y is equal to x. Y's upper limit is y is equal to a. Similarly, x limit is x lower limit is 0, x upper limit is a. So for this limit, we have to consider a diagram. X axis, y axis, this is origin. So y equal to x, so this is a diagonal line, y equal to x, y equal to a. So this line is y equal to a and x is equal to 0. So all we know x is equal to 0 is y axis, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. So this is x equal to a. Now we are marking the points. This is the origin. So 0 comma 0. This point is here. It is a comma 0. I am giving a name for this point is a. Here is b. It is c. So point of b is here x value is a, y value is b. This is a comma a. And similarly here x value is 0, y value is a. This is 0 comma a. So after marking this diagram, we need to construct the region of integration. What is that? We need to construct the region of integration. Y equal to x, this line. Y is equal to a, this line. X is equal to 0, this line. Okay, so come for x equal to a. So if we take this line y equal to 0 is not given in that our limit. Okay, so that is why the region of integration is this one only. So we can making this here, since the given limit is y limit is a variable limit, we need to draw the strip parallel to which limit is a variable limit. Here which limit is a variable limit? Y limit is a variable limit. So we need to draw the strip parallel to y axis. In this strip shows the integration is in this diagram. This strip shows which limit is a variable limit. So in this strip shows the y limit is a variable limit. Now we are constructing a next diagram. This diagram is after changing the order of integration, we are using this diagram. In this, see, this strip is very important. This strip shows which limit is a variable limit of the integration. So this strip parallel to x-axis. So the limit is, inner limit is x limit, outer limit is y limit. So x limit is a variable limit, y limit is a constant limit. So now we will see using the order of integration, change the order of x limit is that is the given integral can be transferred into function as it is f of x comma y. Dy dx can be interchanged dx dy. Now we are going to fix x limit as a variable limit, y limit as a constant limit. So to take x limit from this diagram. In this diagram, see the x range is starting is origin 0, 0 to the end is, since it is a variable limited, we need to take in this equation is a variable equation. After solving this equation, we can get the value of x, that is the lower, that is the upper limit. Lower limit is 0, x upper limit is, and take, since it is y is x is equal to y. So I am taking x upper limit is y. Similarly, y is outer Now y limit from this diagram is, the y range from here to here is, this point is 0, a. Okay, so this is x, y, this is x, y. So y, since y is a constant limit, we can take y value from this point. Y's lower limit is 0, y's upper limit is a. Okay, so this is after changing the order of integration, this integral is equal to this one. Okay, this is very simple problem in the change the order of integration. Using this concept, we can easily integrate the double integral. Thank you.